The CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon air compressor, model CMEC6150K, is a top-of-the-line product that is proudly manufactured in the United States, specifically in Jackson, Tennessee. This air compressor features a 6-gallon capacity, optimizing its portability and the amount of stored air, making it a prime choice for any CRAFTSMAN air compressor needs. A significant advantage of this air compressor is its durable, oil-free pump, designed for longevity and requiring no maintenance, providing peace of mind for its users. With a maximum pressure of 150 pounds per square inch, it ensures adequate cut-in pressure for a variety of applications. Its quick recovery time is noteworthy, with 2.6 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch, allowing for efficient compressor recovery time. The CRAFTSMAN 6-gallon air compressor is not only high-performing, but also highly rated, with a review score of 4.7 out of 5 from over 19,000 reviews, and is sold approximately 3,000 times per month.